Good morning, CNC students. Today we're going to talk some more basic math. We're going to talk about what we call supplementary angles and also complementary angles. And this is often really needed to know. Sometimes on a print you'll have an angle from one feature to another, but you need the opposite or adjacent angle of that. So we have to be able to calculate that out. So let's talk about some basic math principles again. Here we have two lines, and they do intersect. So a line by definition is straight, goes on forever. This line is also straight, and then where those two lines intersect, where they run into each other, that creates an angle, as we all know. So if there's 360 degrees in a circle, if we were to draw a straight line, by definition, that line is how much? It's 180 degrees, that's right. So supplementary angles, all supplementary angles will equal 180 degrees. So what does that mean for me? Well, what that means is this. I'm going to give you the angle to this size right here. I'm going to give you the size of this angle. So let's just call this a 40-degree angle, okay? From here to here. So if we know that's a 40-degree angle from here to here, then what is our angle, our supplementary angle from here to here? Well, very simply, it's 180 degrees minus 40 degrees. So that angle will equal 140 degrees. So from here to here is an angle of 140 degrees. If we add these together, 40 plus 140, it equals 180, isn't that right? We also have another set of angles we can get off this. As you'll notice, I went ahead and extended these lines out a little bit farther so we could look at this angle. So you'll notice this line is also a straight line, and it should also equal 140 degrees, right? I'm sorry, 180 degrees. But from here to here is only 40 degrees. So what's this angle? Well, 180 degrees minus 140 degrees equals, guess what? It's 40 degrees again. So this is a 40-degree angle. And by now, I'm sure you can figure out that this angle over here is also the 140-degree angle. So that's a supplementary angle. So finding an unknown angle when we know one known angle, okay? Our second problem is called a complementary angle. It's really the same thing, but it deals with specifically right triangles or right angles. We know that a right angle equals how much? That's right, it's 90 degrees. So from this line to this line is a 90-degree angle. So if I give you this angle, let's call this a 30-degree angle. From this line to this line. So if this is 30 degrees, how much is this angle? Well, again, some simple math tells us, and I'm sorry, all complementary angles are 90 degrees. So 90 degrees minus 30 degrees equals what? 60 degrees. And really, this happens a lot in manufacturing. We go to write CNC programs. We'll know one angle, but we need to find out the opposite angle so we can do the math problem, solve for our right triangle, to find out what the other angle is to create both our X or Y or X or Z axis of movement. So a real simple project, real simple math problem, but be familiar with these terms. Supplementary angles, all of those will equal 180 degrees. And then we also have complementary angles, and all of those angles will equal 90 degrees. So the complementary angle here is the difference between the 90 degrees and the 30 degrees. Keep having fun, keep making chips, and we'll be back with more later.